Are you interested in studying the biology of microorganisms, like viruses, bacteria, fungi, and protozoa, B.Sc? In microbiology might be the perfect program for you. This undergraduate degree covers a wide range of topics, including genetics, microbiology techniques, immunology, and epidemiology. Graduates can pursue careers in healthcare, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and more, with applications in industries such as agriculture, food technology, and the environment. The curriculum includes industrial microbiology, biostatistics, and mycology, and typically lasts for 3 years. Some universities even offer specializations like B.Sc, medical microbiology, focusing on microbial pathogenesis, disease pathology, epidemiology, and immunology. So if you're passionate about the world of microorganisms, this might just be the perfect path for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I develop scientific temper for more informative content. Thank you for watching.